How to upload files from Android to Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your Android device. Make sure you have logged into Google Drive and click on plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, click on Upload, which will open all your folders. Simply select the file you want to upload. After that, click on Upload at the top right corner of your screen, and then your files will be uploaded to your Google Drive. After that, click on Files at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will see your files in here. And this is how to upload files from Android to Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.